Right, something different today. It's a Sony. It's 4K HDR Bravia. It is the XG95, so it's new for 2019. It should be one of their top of the range, or the top of the range LCD model before you start on the OLED. So I look forward to having a look at this one. Right, so you can see in the top pedestal foot there, looks like it's vacuum packed. I can also see UK 3-pin plug there. I'm assuming it will be hardwired to the TV and not detachable, seeing as that's there. The remote pack, which I shall remove in a moment, and the other foot there, vacuum packed again. So I'll just pop the bits on the floor. Oops. The remote pack and go around the plug. Another foot. I've unboxed the box from the top. It does actually have plastic lugs down there, so the idea is you actually remove those plastic lugs either side of the box, lift the top off, but I thought with it only being a 55 it's not going to be that heavy. I like to take the bits out of the top as well first, because sometimes you lift them off at the top, things drop out of the box onto the TV. So polystyrene it out. Get the screen out. Let's see if I can grip it somewhere. So I'll start by getting these feet out. That's one foot there. Pedestal screws I'll put to the side. That's the other foot there as well. So machine screws there. And it's just 4 times, I think they're M6 machine screws for attaching the pedestal, well, the pedestal feet, or the TV feet to the TV. Remote control. So quite a nice remote control there. Google Play and Netflix button. Home normal TV buttons, recording features, because I believe you can attach a hard drive to the TV. Power on and off, channel numbers and so on as normal. Pop the back off. 2 AA batteries, or AAA batteries should I say, which I have some ready. I'll pop those in. That just slides back on. Quite a nice sort of premium feel remote. It is plastic, but it looks nice. It's like a brushed finish on there. Microphone button as well for voice commands. Nothing else in there, just instructions and quick setup. Right, I've got the TV laid flat, so what I'll do next is pop the legs on. They go on, there's some little pegs there for the slots to locate into if they show up. Don't know if they will. On there like so, 2 machine screws. both feet attached. You can also see cable guides there, so that can come round, bring your cables down behind the stand, so hopefully it should hide any wires, and that just clips back in. You just see, looking at the back, terrestrial TV, 2 satellites, so one to watch, one to record, local area network, digital optical out, 3 HDMIs there, so it's got eARC as well. That's on number 3. And then number 1, oh, USB 3 as well, so that's your recording USB. It's USB 3 socket, so looking at the back there, HDMI 1 on the side there, so you've got a side input HDMI, 2 more USBs, analog audio there, or headphone socket. So you could connect either like a old analog stereo or your headphones if you've got headphones that are cabled. Also composite AV in, so there'll be an adapter you can get for that, I imagine, and CI card slot in. Take the bag off it. Sides as well, I'll just remove those. Cardboard and polythene. Same on that side. I'll just get the camera and we'll have a 360 look as well. So it is a bit thicker. I think I measured it, it's about 70mm in thickness, but I guess that's accommodating that, well, it's got a direct backlight, so that'll be accommodating the backlight. But it still looks quite nice. The bezel from the front is nice and slim. Let's have a look. And if I've got a tape measure handy, I'll quickly get a dimension of how wide those feet are. Looking at it, at its widest point, it's going to be about, if it'll focus, about 39.5 inches, about 10mm over a metre, so 101 centimetres or 39.5 inches. Never tried Rakuten. I'm just going to move that there. Four zeros is not a valid pin. Skip, because I've only connected an aerial, Ethernet and mains. I upped it from 108 to 200. Actually, I think 5 foot. Can you actually get that now? It's not going into it like. Was it like 70 quid a month for 8 months? I don't know what that for. I know what I mean. Oh my god, it's nearly done. Here we go. Right, so we are Yorkshire, even though we're actually living in Lincolnshire. It's on a tabletop stand for sound optimization. U-view last time I enabled that U-view on a TV, it made it dead sluggish and slow. But I'll try it out, to be fair. So D. I'll try it on standard first. Android TV, so we'll have a quick look. Home guide, entertainment, I bet. Home has channels and recommendations if you allow it. Google Play. Chromecast. Chromecast's quite cool, I suppose, if you're casting stuff or screen mirroring. Done.
Yeah. The signed for envelope, Helen.
Country and our NIEs are much better. Where's the NRE?
So this is just footage from BBC News, just to get an idea of a standard picture. The picture actually looks really good on standard. She looks nice and natural, as natural as she can look. I'm just going to have a quick mess with the settings. So
it takes a lot to understand these things.
that's cinema mode. It does get that brown hue. You can probably adjust it from there. Game, custom, vivid's a bit over the top and in your face, but back to standard because that looks good. You could adjust it from there. I've not had time to mess about with it. So, I mean, first things I noticed with this TV compared to some of the previous Sonys I've tried is it's actually nice and fast. It's nice and responsive. There's no sort of sluggishness there. I activated the U-view, which I avoided sometimes in the past for speed, and that seems to work fine. I can go to the home. Got my apps there as well. Netflix. I think I've got all my terrestrial TV apps. iPlayer, ITV, Channel 4, My5. U-view itself, that's your on-demand. If you're rewinding on the TV guide to watch programs back, it will load them through the internet. Rakuten and the other on-demand apps. YouTube. You can do screencast straight to this as well. I forget what it's called. It's like, I suppose because it's Android, it's the Google sort of services gives you that screen mirroring. But if I've got some demo content installed by our nice Sony rep, so if I go to apps, down to demo app, We go back, see what else there is. Motion comparison, OLED demo. We haven't actually got the OLED, so pointless. Try that quickly. The motion appears to be smooth. I can't see any juddering or anything. Quite nice. I'm just going to come back from there and try something fast moving. Think of some content. Your way. Quickly try my friend's channel for some fast moving stuff. So we've got Mev TB there on a mountain bike. Oh, there's me.
Trying to get pedaling.
So that's footage there from a GoPro Hero 7 that my friend's uploaded to his channel. You can actually see me there in the front. But it gives you a good idea. I mean, you can see GoPro Hero 7's got awesome image stabilization, but I just want to see the fast moving stuff. Can't see any blur, so it looks good. Right, anyway, onto it. So it's got U-View built in. If I go to my TV guide, I can see what's on the guide there. If I wanted to see something from earlier in the day, news at 6 o'clock, I could go there, loads it up, and that is it. So back to TV anyway. That's cool.